Today we're gonna make pasta siciliana. It's very, very similar to pasta alla Norma. Siciliana you'll find more often in the New York Metro. Most of the time they're not using ricotta salata. Ricotta salata is what's typically used on pasta alla Norma. Half the places here will use mozzarella, half of them will use regular ricotta. To tell if an eggplant is good, and this eggplant isn't great, it's okay. You want it to be very shiny and firm. And that's an all right looking eggplant. The seeds aren't too bad. Growing eggplant outside, when you grow them yourself, you're gonna have the best in the world. So I recommend that you do that, and then you can make the best dishes with it. All right, I'm gonna put about a quarter cup to a half a cup of oil on here. You just wanna get these fairly well coated. About 1 teaspoon of salt and about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just give it all a toss. We're gonna roast this eggplant at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Give or take, it might be 28 minutes, could be a little bit more. When you're putting it down here, if they're crowded too much, just use another pan. That's all you have to do. But I think we'll be good here. You don't have to use parchment paper. I like to use it. It just makes easier cleanup. Easier cleanup here on your pan. The eggplant's just gonna slide off when we put it into the sauce. What I love about pasta dishes is how quickly they come together. And this one's no different than any other one. It's been 14 minutes right now that the eggplant's been roasting. You need about 25 minutes. We'll be able to get our sauce going, get your water boiling. Let's turn our heat to medium low. And I love this pan. It's a 14-inch. It is perfect for doing a full pound of pasta. All right, so that's hot enough now. I'm gonna put some extra virgin. You can use regular olive oil as well. And I'm coating it probably about a quarter cup, not 1 tablespoon. You will never, ever, ever hear me tell you to put 1 tablespoon in the bottom of there. All right, so we'll put the onions in first. And if you want to put anchovy in here, go ahead. Put the anchovy in for the stuffed eggplant. I use anchovy a lot, but you know a lot of you aren't into it. All right, and after about 2 minutes, put the garlic in and let it cook for a couple minutes more. It's been about 4 minutes total between the onion and garlic. I'm gonna put hot pepper in. That's about a half a teaspoon. If you don't like it, don't use any of it. Just scraping all that onion and garlic off the sides. I'm gonna bring this up to a simmer. All right, here's the eggplant. So I took it out, we'll test it. If it needs a couple more minutes, that's fine because our water's about to boil. We'll have about 7 minutes of cooking the pasta. And sometimes you will find pieces of the eggplant that are very hard. Yeah, these are all good. So that was about 32 minutes on that. Maybe a teaspoon. We'll taste it one more time after we get the eggplant in and the pasta and everything, and we'll make a final adjustment. The sauce is looking good though. This is looking so good. Let's taste it. Let's make sure the pasta's done. Perfectly al dente. I'm gonna say a tiny bit of salt, but we are adding a quarter cup of pecorino, which is very salty too. And the pasta is perfect. Very, very al dente, just the way I like it. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Here we go, we got some mint in here. The fresh basil, fresh mint. I wrote 2 cups of mozzarella. This is probably a little bit more. Use as much as you like or as little as you like. I'll go with that much. The residual heat of the pasta is gonna melt these mozzarella cubes. And then the final thing is a little bit of pecorino romano. I'm gonna do about a quarter cup. You have pasta water on the side. If you get a little dry, when you're waiting for your family to come to the table, just splash a couple ounces in there. That's all you have to do. Well, we gotta take a bite. We gotta see if it's good. Let's get a little bit of mozzarella. Let's get a little bit of the pasta. You're probably saying it's the same thing as ALLA Norma. Ricotta Salata has become far more available in the last 20 years. A lot of ingredients have become far more available, like guanciale and a ton of cheeses that you take for granted that you have access to now. If you don't want to use mozzarella, try ricotta and experiment. I've seen some places do smoked mozzarella and it's excellent. I hope you like this. There's about 13 more or 14 more eggplant recipes on this channel, and there's a lot more on my website.